time that we talk about elapsed time, understand this for me. We have a start time, elapsed time, and an end time. Once again, we have a start time, elapsed time, and an end time. So that's going to be the key thing that we need to make sure that we have. So anytime when we talk about elapsed time, see, this is our vocabulary for elapsed time. We have a start time, an elapsed time, and an end time. Okay? Also, I need you to understand here too, is not necessarily a vocabulary, but this is something I need you to press in your head. Because what's going to happen is, it's like my cell phone over here. You have the screensaver. So what you're doing is you're making a screensaver of this information right here. And it says 11:59 p.m. to 12 o'clock a.m. Understand this, something special happens, something kind of weird happens. Sometimes while we're asleep, sometimes while we're eating lunch. At 11:59 p.m., it changes over from p.m. to a.m. Once again, at 11:59 p.m., it switches over to 12 o'clock a.m. On the other hand, right here, at 11:59 a.m., it turns over to 12 o'clock p.m. So here we go, 11:59 a.m. goes to 12 o'clock p.m. So that's what you need to know. So if you're taking notes, write this down real quick. If you're taking notes, write that down for me. Okay? If not, once again, just like a cell phone, take a screensaver of it. This time, we're going to be working backwards. We're going to be going backwards. Going to go backwards this time, okay? So almost like we're going back in time, literally. Going back in time. So in this case right here, we're going to be given an end time. They're going to give us the amount of elapsed time, and they're going to give us a start time. So let's keep it simple. (8:25 p.m.) 8:25 p.m. and the amount of elapsed time is going to be 3 hours and 10 minutes. The amount of elapsed time will be 3 hours, 10 minutes. All right? 3 hours, 10 minutes. Now watch what we're ready to do this time. Same thing. I want to start here and put 8:25 p.m. and put a line up under it. That part stays the same. That part is going to stay the same. What's going to happen here, this is going to stay the same too. How many hours you see? 1, 2, 3. Everybody good? Everybody good? All right. The part that's going to change is this right here. The elapsed time is going to be 3 hours. Instead of going forward, we're going to go what? Backwards. We're going to go backwards. So what does that mean right here? Instead of going 8 to 9, 8 to 9, that's going up. We're going to go back. We'll come after 8. 7:25 p.m. 6:25 p.m. 5:25 p.m. Questions or concerns? That's all we did, folks. That's all we did. Questions on that part right there. That's the tricky part right there. We're going backwards. All we did was go what? Went backwards. So check this out right now. So now the time is 5:25 p.m. But still, we have 10 minutes left. So what we got to do right here, put the original time up here, 5:25 p.m. We're going what? Backwards. backwards. So I'm going to go 5, 10. So don't forget, you got to go what? Say it with me. Backwards. Go backwards. And so what does that mean right here? If you got 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. So that'll be 5, 20. Somebody just looked at this. Whoa, Mr. Jones, you went backwards. I know I am. Because we're going from the end time to the start time. Okay? It's 20. Take away 5 more. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. I don't have any more tally marks, so my final time, or my start time now, is going to be simply 5:19 p.m. That's it. Only thing we're doing, just need to work backwards. Work backwards. And when we work backwards, we're subtracting. When we work backwards, we are subtracting. All right, got another one for you. My end time this time is going to be 11:38 a.m. 11:38 a.m. All right, the elapsed time here, 7 hours, 18 minutes. 7 hours, 18 minutes. And what is our goal? We want to find the start time. We want to find the start time. Here we go, folks. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Once again, I'm going to start with 11:38 a.m. Write that down in your notes for me, please. Write that down in your notes. I'm going to put a line up under here. And how many hours do we have right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, that's why it's important that you read each question carefully. Right now, I'm just putting them in number form. On your Virginia test, your North Carolina test, whatever test you're taking it, guess what? They're going to put it in word form. So you have to pay close attention. You have to pay close attention. So what you have to do here, in this case here, if we got end time going to start time, if we have an end time going to a start time, guess what we need to do? We have to go backwards. So 11 to 12, no, we don't want to do that. 11 to 12, no. Going from end time to start time, we go backwards. And if you go backwards, what comes after 11? 10:38 a.m. 9:38 a.m. 8:38 a.m. 7:38 a.m. 6:38 a.m. 5:38 a.m. 4:38 a.m. Seven hours. It told us it was 7 hours, and we went to 4:38 a.m. I'm done with my hours. Now, what's the last time down here? You write it up here. 4:38 a.m. And this time I have to add 18 minutes. Why 18 minutes? Because it told us that. If it tells you, all you have to do is follow directions. Follow directions. And what we got right here, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Five, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That represents my 18 right here. All right. Once again, we're working what? Backwards. 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 Going back in time. Yes. So what we got right here is we're going to go backwards by 5. Look up to 38. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. 4:33 a.m. Come up to 33, going backwards. 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. a.m. Come up to 28, we're subtracting again. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. And, oh, I like 23. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Oh, wait a second. I didn't count by 5s. This time I'm counting by what? 3s. Okay, tricked myself that time. So instead of 5, we just need 3. I got caught up to 23. So it's 23, 22, 21, 20. And notice, what do? We counted what? Backwards. So these numbers are getting lower. And so what is my start time? My start time should be 4:20 a.m. Questions or concerns? Questions? Is 2:08 a.m. The elapsed time would be 6 hours. No minutes. End time is 2:08 a.m. The elapsed time is going to be 6 hours. Okay? So all we have to worry about right now is going to worry about our hours. But watch carefully. Listen out for the... Watch carefully. Here we go. Watch this. I'm going to start out with 2:08 a.m. And how many do we need to write? We need to write 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why did I say L? I said 2:08. This should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Watch carefully. A bell's about to go off. A siren's about to go off in just a few minutes. So right now, we are not going forward. 2 to 3, that's wrong. Because we're going from an end time, and we want to go what? Backwards to a start time. So what comes after 2? It'll be 1:08 a.m. What's next? What comes after 1? 12:08 a.m. What's next? 11:08 a.m. What? What's wrong? Huh? Oh, you heard that? You heard that? You heard that too? Yeah, it went off too. Anytime you hear that, you go back here. Once again, we're working backwards. So this time at 12 a.m., if we're going backwards to 11:59, it's going to change from a.m. to p.m. at 12 o'clock p.m., at 11:59, it's going to turn to a.m. So the same thing applies when we're going backwards. So check this out here. So right now it went from 12 to 1, 12 to 1. So now it's now p.m. And everything after this will be a p.m. All right. Questions or concerns with that? Here, it went from 12 to 11. From in between 11 and 12 or 12 and 11, it changes from a.m. to p.m. or from p.m. to a.m. Need you to know that. So we can go backwards. Now what comes after 11? 10:08 p.m. 9:08 p.m. 8:08 p.m. But guess what my start time is? 8:08 p.m. Mr. Jones, you didn't do any minutes. I didn't have any minutes. I just did hours. That's all we had to do. There were no minutes. Questions or concerns?